Russia tests Poseidon nuclear torpedoes, can trigger deadly tsunamis. Russia included Poseidon in the list of new sophisticated weapons. Taken from the name of the sea god in Greek mythology, Poseidon is a long-range submersible torpedo that can travel underwater at high speed because it is powered by a mini-nuclear reactor. Okay buddy, before we continue this interesting discussion, please subscribe to this channel first so that it continues to grow and continue to provide interesting, useful information. Don't forget to also activate the bell so that you will be the first person to get the next video from me. Okay, continue. As reported by Russian media, RT on Tuesday the 25th of December 2018, Poseidon, previously dubbed Status-6 or Kanyon, was officially announced for development in March 2018, along with a number of other Moscow weapons systems in the future. The aim is to counter the development of anti-ballistic missile technology by the United States. According to Russian Defense Ministry sources, quoted by TASS, Poseidon is currently undergoing underwater trials as part of its development. The Poseidon drone nuclear propulsion system is currently being tested in a sea area that is protected from surveillance by the opposing party, the source said. The opponents he meant were the United States and its allies in NATO. The source added that Poseidon was taken to the test site by a nuclear-powered submarine owned by the Russian Navy. The torpedo development project is expected to be completed before 2027. Even though it is still in the development stage, Poseidon has triggered many people's worries. That said, the weapon could trigger a tsunami. As quoted from the British website, express.co.uk, Poseidon is reportedly armed with conventional weapons and nuclear warheads totaling 100 megatons. Vladimir Putin, who called the drone a fantastic weapon, said that Poseidon traveled under the sea to a speed of 70 knots, without sound. According to experts, his silent maneuvering underwater meant that Poseidon could sneak close to shore and then trigger destruction. Experts also say the type of underwater explosion released could trigger a tsunami whose strength is equivalent to the 2011 Japan tsunami, which killed 10,000 people. There is also concern that nuclear torpedoes can catapult sediment into the air, producing a deadly radioactive dust cloud. Rex Richardson, a physicist, told Business Insider that nuclear weapons placed at a distance of 20 meters to 50 meters near the coast can certainly trigger enough energy to match the effects of the 2011 tsunami, maybe even much greater. Los Angeles or San Diego will be very vulnerable to falls because of the prevailing land wind patterns there, he said. Meanwhile, former U.S. State Department senior advisor Christian Whitten acknowledged that such an explosion would create a very radiant wave. However, for Fox News, he said, it was far worse affected by a multi-megaton nuclear explosion than waves caused by nuclear weapons. Because, Whitten explained that water can absorb a lot of power created by such explosions. Meanwhile, as quoted by British media Mirror, Russia's sophisticated weapons are claimed to be able to trigger a super tsunami. The claim was published in an article in a tabloid that discussed military problems in Russia. According to the publication, Russia has the ability to blow up Mount Snæfellsjökull in Iceland with thermonuclear weapons. An explosion in the 4,474-foot-high mountain will have an impact on the creation of a tsunami which is said to be able to hit the U.S. capital, Washington, D.C. Okay guys, that's information about Russian nuclear weapons. If you think this video is important and useful, please share to your social media, so your friends know what you already know. Thanks for watching this video, don't forget to subscribe for those who haven't subscribed, and see you in the next video.